My name is Dan Loberman. I'm a heart surgeon, born and raised in Israel. Went to the Technion Israel Institute of Technology for medical school. Did my residency in cardiac surgery in Tel Aviv Medical Center, and after that went on to the Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston to do my adult cardiac surgery fellowship and also a congenital cardiac surgery fellowship at Boston Children's Hospital. I've been there for 10 years after that as a senior surgeon, and I came here to Houston 3 years ago to be the director of cardiothoracic surgery. Here at Houston Northwest, the Houston Heart Team has established the Valve Clinic, which uses the heart team approach to take care of different patients with heart valve diseases. We take care of all patients with different aspects of cardiovascular disease: coronary artery disease, heart valve disease, and diseases of the great vessels. We have cardiologists here and cardiac surgeons who work in concert to give every patient his special treatment approach. Here at Houston Northwest, the Houston Heart Team is waiting to take care of you. We base our care on our team approach, on compassionate, dedicated, and professional care. We look forward to seeing you.